Introducing the Chocovision Revelation Delta. The Revelation Delta is Chocovision's most sophisticated tabletop tempering machine, created to the specifications of the world's most demanding pastry chefs and confectioners. This machine features an advanced display and state-of-the-art software system. The Revelation Delta is the ideal tempering machine for artisan chocolatiers, bakers, pastry chefs, and restaurants who would like to increase their chocolate production, with the Delta being able to produce up to 25 kilograms of chocolate per day. This tempering machine is also great for larger producers as an R&D machine due to its speed and efficiency. The Revelation Delta melts and tempers a minimum of 1.35 kilograms of chocolate per batch, and up to a maximum capacity of 4.5 kilograms per batch with the standard baffle and 7 kilograms of chocolate with the slotted baffle. Each batch usually takes around 1.5 to 2 hours. The Delta can temper all types of couverture chocolate, milk, white, dark, ruby, and even coloured or flavoured chocolate, as well as being able to temper bean-to-bar chocolate due to its brilliant saved recipe feature. Once your chocolate is in temper, the Delta can hold the chocolate in temper for over 15 hours with its extended temper mode. Install the baffle clip, scrapers and baffle. Weigh out your initial chocolate. In our case, we were adding 2 kilograms in 1 kilogram increments. Add your chocolate behind the baffle, making sure not to overfill. Press S to select your chocolate type, milk, white or dark, and place the lid on the machine. Your chocolate will start to heat up and melt. Once the chocolate starts to melt and transfers to the front, you can remove the lid, add more unmelted chocolate behind the baffle and replace the lid, again making sure not to overfill. Keep repeating this process until you have added your full quantity of initial chocolate. While you are waiting for your chocolate to melt, you can weigh out your seed chocolate. This needs to be approximately 15 to 20% of the weight of the initial chocolate. Once you have melted all of your chocolate and the machine has reached the melt temperature, remove the lid and place to one side. Add your seed chocolate and press the temper button. Once for temper 1 and twice for temper 2. Temper 1 is a quick temper mode suitable for couverture chocolates, and temper 2 is a deeper temper mode suitable for bean-to-bar, raw chocolate and other difficult to temper chocolates. Your chocolate will now start to cool down, with the seed chocolate helping this along with introducing the crystal structure you are looking for in tempered chocolate. Once your chocolate reaches the seed out temperature, remove any unmelted seed chocolate from behind the baffle and press the temper button. Once the chocolate reaches the temper temperature, the machine will start a 1-minute countdown. Once this countdown is finished, your chocolate will be tempered and ready to use.